Hello everyone. I normally don't do unboxing videos, but this one is going to be really special because it's my first ever Pear doll. I waited a long time. Well, not that long. But I waited till they were available before they're completely sold out. Once they're dropped. So this was I believe it was marble that I ordered. I was gonna wait for Legion, but I don't have that much patience. And I imagined that the box was gonna be a lot bigger than what it is. I checked it with the other boxes and it's just slightly longer. Alright. Oh, I'm already excited. I got the brand new bag. I'm surprised. I didn't think I was gonna get it. And I didn't order any goodies. I just ordered the doll. And I ordered the bundle. So all I'm getting is the bigger chest. And a wig. I don't know what color. It's a very dark brown. And the stand. And of course her card. So let's unveil this beauty. It is definitely a lot better than what I expected. Just from seeing the unboxings, she looks much better in person. She's very nice. I actually wish her head was bigger. So maybe in the future. Then you can make one that's more proportionate. I also wanted to wait because I couldn't stand this stand here, the hole, it's so deep. But I don't think they're going to change that anytime soon. The haptics are, I think it makes less noise than the other one. The calves, definitely a lot looser. I guess because of the size. Her face is adorable though. And I like this one also as well because I'm not really into the open mouth. Her makeup is very beautiful. And the freckles, I'm not a fan of freckles either, but these are very nice because they're light. They're not, like, they look very natural. Her eyes are kind of blue-gray. And then put on her wig. I can't wait to start sewing for her. I think I'm going to put on the bigger bust as well. Nothing wrong with the smaller one, but I think that the bigger one will make it a little more proportionate. She's beautiful. And the stand, it doesn't bother me so much anymore, I guess, because that'll be covered by clothes most of the time. And most of the time I'll be looking at her from the front. And I got the a regular wig. It looks really small. So let me go ahead and try and attach it. It's really tight. But that's as far as it'll stretch. And there she is again. And here she is next to Classic. And I changed the bust. I like the bigger bust much better.